Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue if your computer does not recognize your RTX 4090. So you need to, if it doesn't recognize it, then you should probably connect your monitor to the integrated GPU which is in your motherboard. Then you should be able to run your computer, and now we're gonna just find the drivers, because you need to have the drivers in order to recognize the GPU. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the search bar and search for device manager. Now in graphics cards or GPUs or whatever, if you don't see your NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, then we're gonna get to that later. But if it's not recognized and it's here, then make sure to click on right click on it, then click on enable. And sometimes you also need to click on update driver, then search automatically for drivers, but I already have the drivers installed, so I don't need to do that now. And then if it still did nothing, to make sure to check if it works or not, then you should plug your monitor into the GPU, not to the motherboard, and see if it connects. If it still doesn't, then you may need to go to browser, then go to this website right here and download the NVIDIA app. And from the NVIDIA app it should connect you, and you should be just able to go to that app, then go to drivers, and you should have, you can choose whether you want to get the install the game ready driver or studio driver, then check for updates, and you'll be able to either download or reinstall the driver depending on your setup. After reinstalling the driver, you can now try plugging in your monitor to the GPU, not to the motherboard, and it should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.